Sanford McNeil.
Mr. McNeil. Sir, good afternoon, sir. This magistrate at Chapter here on criminal matter. Case number is 2305-6624. And what's your full name, including your middle name?
Sanford McNeil.
Thank you, sir. You have an attorney. Go ahead, counsel. Thank you. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty. Court dates are May 5th, 2023. It's probable cause conference followed by preliminary examination, May 12th, 2023. Both matters are in front of, says Judge Robbins and Miss Claudia. Just want to make sure he has a count 2. So he's still going to go in front of Judge Robbins. Okay, so you're going in front of Judge Robbins. Mr. McNeil, while this case is pending, you're not to possess any firearms or any other dangerous weapons. Do you understand that, sir? Okay, all right. What I have here, this is from April 25th, 2023. Charge is non-assaultive. He has also, Mr. McNeil, you're not to leave the state of Michigan. Does anybody have an objection as to that? Okay. I see that he's listed as Georgia.
No.
So while this case is pending, Mr. McNeil, you're not to leave the state of Michigan. I will leave the issue as to you leaving the state to Judge Robbins. Do you understand that? Okay. You're not to possess any firearms or any other dangerous weapons. You understand that, Mr. McNeil? I didn't hear you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Counsel Jessica, ties. I don't know if he has local ties, but Georgia, charges non-assaultive. I don't have keep his history, criminal history, unless you're going to tell me there is something priors from either side in terms of out of Georgia or another state. Ah, yes, I am seeing here. He is out of Georgia. From the investigator's report, he is listed as an absconder and sexual offender out of Riverdale, Georgia. Counsel, do you want to add anything else?
I just wanted to say that this is not assaultive on his face, nothing. We're not aware of anything else going on in Michigan. He knows that he needs to be to all the court dates. He is staying here. He's been back here for a while. He has a local address. He's got the family side. He also is living with his mother here. So I don't believe that he's going anywhere. He knows he needs to be at his court date. If the court is not comfortable with a low personal bond, then I would ask the court to consider a high one.
Counsel Vincent, go ahead.
Thanks. The people would object to a personal bond in this matter. Per the lien, the defendant here is an offender and has previously absconded. Your Honor, we're also dealing with a serious charge here of carrying concealed weapons. The offender has to do with what I believe is a use case. For those reasons, Your Honor, sexual offending case, Your Honor. So for those reasons, on top of the fact that this happened in a previous jurisdiction, the people would be asking for a $25,000 cash. Okay.
Well, I'll hear from, I already heard the representations from both counsels in this particular matter. One is because the officers in charge or officers found that supposedly Mr. McNeil allegedly is listed as an absconder, sexual offender out of Georgia. I don't know what year, okay, as to that. So that is concerning. Let's see what else. Not only that, allegedly he's also charged with count 2, refusal to provide, or he resisted providing DNA information. in this particular matter. But more important is that he is listed as an absconder. He's not going to get a personal bond. This case is going to be $50,000 cash. I do find him as a danger. More is that listed as an absconder. That's going to register. You're going to get a court date, sir, of May 1st, next Monday, and 9 o'clock in front of Judge McConico to review your bond amount and bond conditions. Do you understand that, sir? So you understood everything that I told you? Okay, it appears that he shook his head. Counsel Jessica, you want to add anything else?
Respectfully, I know the court made their decision, Your Honor, but I do believe that bond is excessive. The court would at least consider a 10% bond, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. You already placed your objections on the record. Anything else?
Can we find out if there's any holes on him,
All right,
Your Honor?
okay. County? DDC?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me in reference to Mr. McNeil, does he have any holes?
No, ma'am.
Not that you have. Would you have information as from out of state or not?
We'll have that information from out of state, ma'am.
I'm sorry, you would not or you would?
I would not unless it's an extradition.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am.
All right, anything else, Counsel Jessica?
Nothing further.
Okay, all right. Counsel Rinson, anything else?
Thanks.
All right, thank you, Mr. McNeil. You can step aside.